Welcome back as we explore the premium VAMSLOVE 14-inch folding wooden checkers set for classic gaming. This high-quality 8x8 board features a beautiful wood finish with truly impressive craftsmanship throughout. You receive 26 stackable wooden pieces designed with special ridges for easy kinging during your matches. The convenient folding design includes interior storage slots and metal clasps to keep everything secure while traveling. Playing this timeless strategy game helps develop concentration and improves memory for players of almost all ages. It is a wonderful choice for family game nights or strengthening relationships with your friends and colleagues. This sturdy wooden set makes a very thoughtful gift for any checkers enthusiast or serious board gamer. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.